We'll be like a married couple. Where's he going? Are you two alright in there?
Yeah, come on in.
Yeah. Is it gonna be okay?
Yeah, take a bit off of you. You're gonna say it?
No, I say, that isn't a pretty bad view.
Oh my goodness. Look how tall I am compared to you. Wow.
We're coming back for you, Amy. Good morning. I'm really repping the fading hair look today. Don't mind that. I just got a little stroll. The other two are back, eat breakfast, but I just wanted to come and see what was over in this direction. Surprise! Wasn't a lot, but it's a bit windy, but it's not too cold. I've got kilos covered, so I'm pretty warm.
Are you kneading dough? That ain't gonna get it out.
Huh?
You're just like... You gotta be violent, Queen. Oh, no! Our progress. But That was. Don't look at that bit. Don't watch that bit. And now we got it. High five. Boom. It's back in its little casing, ready for another adventure.
Oh damn, that's a lot lighter.
What's your favourite band at the moment?
Queen will always be my forever favourite, but Mother are creeping up there, you know? Just as it was before.
Eco-friendly.
Let's take a sip from the cup of chance. We're both so young, and baby, we've got time to face our fears, make our dreams come true. We both know what we want and what we've gotta do. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find out. If you trust me, you will know. It'll all unfold. I don't know where the road will go, but baby, we can find it. We can find that pot of gold. Find that pot of gold. Gold. Find that pot of gold.